Namaste and welcome to Panchkosh. Today we are going to do one stress relieving flow, a flow which will help us to just relieve ourselves. The whole body should be relieved. So for that we need to just get on our mat and start doing it. But today we are not doing any stress to our body. We don't want any stress to our body. So for that we'll be doing all asana, all the flow in a very relaxing manner. So for that, just get on your mat and start with me. First of all, just sit in an easy pose like this only, or you can sit in lotus pose. But today, since we are doing some relaxing thing to get rid of that stress, so just keep it easy. Any comfortable pose for you. For me, it's like this. So I'm sitting like this. And now just keep your spine straight like this. Now take your shoulders back and put your hands in Chin Mudra first. For Chin Mudra, again we'll keep our index finger and the thumb together while the three fingers will be facing in the front like this. We'll sit. Now for 3 times we'll enchant Om. So for that, close your eyes. This is going to be a stress relief flow. So you need to calm down first. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. From here we'll enchant Om for 3 times. So take a deep inhalation and start enchanting Om like this. Again, inhale deeply. One more time. Inhale. Now inhale and exhale normally. And feel the vibration in your all body after enchanting Om, and feel the relaxation from your head to your toe. Now slowly open your eyes. Now we are going to do some pranayama of bee breathing. For that, what we are supposed to do is we'll be closing our ears, like pressing from this part. So we'll press it with our thumb. So we'll put thumb here, both the thumbs here, and then we'll put our index finger over our eyebrows like here. We'll keep 2 fingers, middle finger and the ring finger, over our eyes and nose, like by the side of our nose here, and then the little finger we'll keep here like this. Now we'll inhale first, close ears with the thumbs, and then we'll start doing hum sound like this. Again, inhale. while doing this, we won't clench our jaws, like we'll keep our jaws separate so that we can feel the humming sound inside our brain. It's a very relaxing kind of pranayama. So whenever you are in stress, just do this Bhramari. So we'll do it one more time. Like we'll keep the fingers like this, then we'll take a deep inhale. So in this Bhramari, what we do, we inhale and then we exhale while doing that humming sound. So again, inhale and exhale. This you can do like for 2 minutes and can extend up to 5 minutes. It's a very relaxing pranayama. So next we are doing a flow. So from here we'll just inhale and exhale, and then we'll change our position to Vajrasana like this. And from here we'll inhale and exhale first. Now from here we'll keep our palms on the mat like this. We'll keep our fingers wide and open so that we can have a good grip over the mat. Now from here we'll tuck our toes into the mat and we'll come in downward facing dog. For this, we'll stretch our body towards the back side, towards the knees. Like you need to take your head towards your knee and you'll be stretching your body now. It's a complete stretch for your back. It also increases the flow towards your head, so it helps to decrease the stress. Keep breathing all the time. Inhale and exhale. Just concentrate on the position and the posture. Just forget about everything. Just be in present. Now exhale and drop your knees to the mat. Take your toes together and sit on your heels and get into this child's pose. Inhale and exhale. Now again sit in Vajrasana. Now again we'll go in downward facing dog. So we'll tuck our toes and then shift our weight to both the feet. And from here we'll again stretch our body towards the back like this. Inhale and exhale and feel the stretch again. We are not stressing anything. Like here we don't want to do the perfect downward facing. We just want to relax. Again, drop your knees to the mat. Touch your toes and sit in Vajrasana. Now from here, take your legs back to the mat and lie down in corpse pose or Shavasana. Keep the spine into the mat. Inhale and exhale. Relax your body. With every exhalation, you can feel the more relaxation. Now from here, we'll just go into the flow pose or halasana. So we'll just join our feet together. Now inhale and take your legs up and take all the way back to the back and put your fingers or the feet on the ground like this. You can point your feet from here. Your chin is touching your chest. You can support your back. Today we are not just leaving it because we don't want to stress. We just want to relax. So this is the easier one. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Now from here, take your back first to the ground and slowly While supporting your back, just take your legs to the center and then slowly to the mat. Again in corpse pose or Shavasana, keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Now from here, fold your right foot, grab your knee from your hands and press it against the chest while keeping the foot pointed. Both the feet are pointed and will be pressing the knee towards the chest. Inhale and exhale. Exhale and take your right knee towards the left side and spread your right hand spread towards the right and we'll be looking towards the right side. Now from here we'll just change it, but we'll keep our leg folded. Now with both the hands we'll just hold our knee from here, interlock our finger and we'll press it against our chest. Perfect. Now we'll do the same with the other leg. So for that, again just get into this corpse pose. Now from here, fold your left foot, left knee, and now grab it from both your hands and press it against your chest while keeping the feet pointed. Keep breathing. Now from here, just hold the knee and take it towards your right side while we'll spread our left hand towards the left side and we'll be looking towards the left. Inhale and exhale. Now again come back, but before that we'll fold our right leg too, and now this time we'll take our hands from here and interlock them and we'll press it against our chest. We can feel the stretch. Inhale and exhale. Now release it. Take your both the legs back to the mat and stretch them and relax in corpse pose or Shavasana. Inhale and exhale. We'll be in this position for 2 minutes and after that we'll just roll to our left side and we'll sit in an easy pose. So this was a stress relieving session. I hope you enjoyed and I hope all your stress must have gone away. And we'll be doing more this kind of asanas and practices in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and please, if you enjoyed today's session, then please do like, share and subscribe. Until then, be happy and stay fit. Namaste.